struggling through this one still. I think I've got enough reference for it. I printed up some and left it blank over here on 8.5 by 11 so I can just draw this in and figure out what I've done. But let this be a lesson to us all. I did 3 the other night at the Lighthouse. This is one of them, and I'm quite happy with it. It's about a time and a place and the gesture and the experience. It's not about getting an exact likeness. Well, this is my friend Kat dancing there at the Lighthouse. I thought I was done with these black and whites, but I had some music that put me back in where I was with these, and I grabbed 3 of them. Leave well enough alone. This one here was a little unfortunate. I got up to get more water from my pens and asked my friend to keep an eye on it because it was very wet. Don't pick it up, don't move it, don't touch it. And I came back and there were 2 more people at the table. And when I looked at it, there was water with ink in it running all the way across here. Nobody did it, of course. And I just said bluntly, well, somebody did, and you effed it up. So, but it's fine. I took it off. There's a memory of it there, and it's part of the experience. But it really kind of soured me on working in public. So I did this one first. I had a nice spot at the table, good angle, and some comfort. I could work on my lap and keep my stuff on the table. And then I did this one and stopped because she pulled off her sweatshirt after a while. But I stewed about it being damaged and, cleaned it up as best I could. And it's fine. And then I got up and moved to another place where I could keep my stuff more safe. But I wasn't in front of the stage. But that's fine. This also got a nice gesture in there. There's another leg that goes here, but it doesn't matter. It's all fine. Quite pleased with what I came home with. For once. Please leave a like or a thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Thanks. Oh, I'm going to link in probably a thumbnail over here, a link to about a 20-minute or 15-minute video of Nicolaides, The Natural Way to Draw, by another artist that I just watched this afternoon, and it brought me back to, these aren't about getting a likeness. I get one, but the likeness is their movement and their spirit, and the spirit of time and place. Got something nice? Leave well enough alone. Case in point, this one I've been struggling with. It looks pretty good. The colors are good, but still I'm working on this arm. And I had 2 nightmares about arms and couldn't figure out why until I looked back at the reference photos I had taken to finish this up. And that's another video, the video called 2 Gruesome Dreams. So, leave well enough alone.